Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 10.1 that is based on the circle. So fill in the blanks. First question we are going to do. First part, the center of the circle lies in the dash of the circle, interior. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies on the exterior. If you have a circle and this is a radius and this is a point Q, and this OQ if greater than this OQ if greater than OP, then we can say that Q lies outside the circle, means exterior. Now come to third point, the longest chord of the circle is diameter, right? So diameter. And fourth one is an arc is a dash when its ends are the end point of the diameter, the semicircle, right? You know that in a circle, if you have a diameter, the end points of the diameter, and this is the arc, and this arc is called semicircle, right? Now coming to next part, a segment of a circle is a region between the arc and the dash of the circle. It is arc and chord, right? This is the circle, this is your chord, and this is the arc, and in between arc and chord this is the segment. Shaded part is the segment. And coming to the sixth part, a circle divides the plane in equal three parts, right? Now coming to second question, true false. First part, a line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius. Yes, it is true. A circle has only finite number of the chords is false, because a circle have infinite equal radiuses, and if you join on the boundary the point of the radius, these are chords, and equal radiuses if extend the equal angle are equal. So infinite are there, so here it is given finite, so it is false. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, then all are major. It is false, because it is not possible to have all major arcs. If you divide like this, your circle, this is minor, this is also minor, and this is also minor arc, right? So coming to fourth part, a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is a diameter. Yes, it is clearly, diameter is 2 times of radius, so it is true. Now coming to the next part, a sector is the region between the chord and the corresponding arc. This is, if a circle, this is center, these are radiuses, and this is an arc, and this shaded part is a sector, and it is the region under radius and arc. So under chord and arc is segment, but it is here you have given sector, so it is false, right? Now come to sixth part, a circle is a plane figure. Yes, a circle is a plane figure, because it is a 2D figure, right? It drawn on a surface. So that's all for today.